big move right there. That's the move that we need to fix.
Right.
Okay, so when he gets here, then he's going to rotate. See that rotation?
Yeah.
Okay, now, let's take a look at where you are here. Watch the move that you make right there. See how everything just moves forward? Difference. See how we're moving forward? You need to stay back. You've taken your whole body. Look at the. I'm gonna move everything off. Let's clear all of these lines off. Okay. I want to look at spine angle. Okay. Watch. That's not what I want. I want you to look at this. Got it? Got it. Okay. So far, so good. Understood? Okay. So now let's come back here. Okay. So your spine angle is still straight, right? Okay.
This is moved off. It's still straight.
Pretty straight. Okay. But now watch the power. Watch what happens. See how far behind the golf ball he is?
Mm-hmm.
Has he moved his upper body at all forward?
It's moved a little.
A little, but where's his body? It's taken and it's rotating here. See this rotation? Staying behind the golf ball. Watch yours. Watch your body. See how the whole body is moving forward?